What if I told you one leaf, just one small leaf, can erase sins from 3 entire lifetimes? Not a grand ritual, not years of penance, not a temple pilgrimage, one leaf. The ancient sages encoded this secret into 8 verses, and that is exactly what we are going to unlock right now. This is the Bilvashtakam, 8 sacred verses from the Shaiva tradition, rendered here by sounds of Isha from their album Trigun. The Bilva leaf, 3 lobes, 1 stem, is Shiva's most beloved offering, more than flowers, more than milk, more than gold, and each of these 8 verses tells you exactly why.
त्रिदर्णं त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं च त्रियायुधं त्रिजन्म पापसंहारम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
3 lobes, 3 qualities, Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. 3 eyes of Shiva, the sun, the moon, and sacred fire, all held within a single leaf. The Bilva does not merely represent Shiva, it embodies him. And when you place this leaf at his feet with a sincere heart, the sins of 3 entire lifetimes are quietly dissolved, not reduced, wiped clean.
अखण्डबिल्वपत्रेण पूजितेन दिकेश्वरे शुद्ध्यन्ति सर्वपापेभ्यो एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
The leaf must be whole, unblemished. No cracks, no tears. The sages were not being fussy. They were telling us something deeper. Your offering reflects your intention. A broken leaf offered carelessly carries no weight. But a whole leaf held gently before Nandikeshwara, the sacred guardian at Shiva's door, washes away every layer of accumulated sin. The completeness of the leaf mirrors the completeness of your surrender.
शार्दिग्रामशिलामेकां विप्राणां जातु चार्पये सोमयज्ञमहापुण्यम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
The Soma Yajna, one of the most complex Vedic fire sacrifices ever conducted, takes days, dozens of priests, elaborate preparation. The merit earned is considered extraordinary. The sages say 1 bilva leaf offered sincerely equals all of that. This is the ancient teaching that devotion always outweighs ritual.
नन्दिकोटि सहस्राणि वाजपेयशतानि च कोटिकन्या महादानम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
A crore of cows donated, 1,000 Vajapaya Yagnas performed, 10 million daughters given in sacred marriage. All of that combined merit, matched by 1 leaf. This is not exaggeration. This is the mathematics of devotion that the rishis understood. Shiva does not want your wealth, he wants your sincerity.
एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्. दक्ष्णास्तनुत उत्पन्नं महादेवस्य च प्रियं बिल्ववृक्षं प्रयच्छामि एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
The Bilva tree was not just planted somewhere on earth, it was born from goddess Lakshmi herself, from her sacred heart. And Shiva holds this tree in the deepest personal affection because of exactly that. So when you offer a Bilva leaf to Shiva, you are offering the child of Lakshmi to the one who loves it most. The divine, receiving the divine, the circle made whole.
एकबिल्वं शिवा. दर्शनं बिल्ववृक्षस्य स्पर्शनं पापनाशनम् अघोरपापसंहारम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
You do not even need to pluck the leaf. Simply seeing the Bilva tree purifies the mind. Simply touching its bark destroys sin. Even standing under its shadow is a sacred act. The most deeply buried sins consumed just by being near this tree. Shiva's grace does not wait for grand gestures. It flows through root, bark, and leaf.
एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्. काशीक्षेत्रनिवासं च कालभैरव दर्शनं प्रयागमाधवं दृष्ट्वा एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
Imagine completing the greatest pilgrimage of your life. Kashi, the eternal city. Kalabhairava, the fierce destroyer of fear. Prayag, the sacred confluence of 3 rivers, an entire lifetime of pilgrimage. And then you place one bilva leaf before Shiva. That single gesture holds the merit of everything you just did. One leaf, an entire pilgrimage, the same.
मूलतो ब्रह्मरूपाय मध्यतो विष्णुरूपिणे अग्रतच्छिवरूपाय एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
Look at the bilva tree one final time, but with completely different eyes. Its roots, Brahma, the creator, the source of all existence. Its trunk, Vishnu, the sustainer, the preserver of all worlds. Its crown, Shiva himself, the liberator. Eternity in his matted hair. The entire Trimurti, every face of the divine, lives inside this single tree. Every time you touch the bilva, you are touching creation itself. Back to where we started. One leaf, 3 lifetimes of sin. Dissolved. The rishis were not speaking in metaphor. They were giving us the most accessible path to Shiva that exists. No temple required, no ritual required, no priest required. Just a bilva tree, 2 open hands, and a sincere heart. Om Namah Shivaya. If this touched your heart, share it with one person who loves Shiva. That is your bilva leaf for today. Subscribe for more devotional content like this, and I will see you in the next video.